Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another tutorial only here on Telco Guy. Today, I'm going to show you how you can create your very own US TikTok account on on any device. But before we get started, I would like to remind you that this isn't a direct information or instruction on how you can create your own US TikTok account. Rather, it is a preparation for the things that you need in order for you to create a US based TikTok account. So, right off the bat, if you want to sign up for TikTok, you need to use either a phone. You can continue with your Facebook account, you can continue with Google, you can continue with Line, or you can continue with Kakao Talk. So, any of these applications will work whenever you want to sign up for TikTok. But an important thing to remember is that if you want to create a US based TikTok account, have these three things prepared. Number one, create an email account or a phone number that is addressed in the United States and not in the country where you are currently residing. Number two, set up a VPN that is United States based or that is based in the US. And number three, make sure that before you sign up for your TikTok account, you change the location on your device, whether you are on a PC, on a MacBook, on an iPhone, on Android, whatever device you are using, tablet, make sure that you change the location on your device to a location in the United States. This way, TikTok won't be able to track down your IP address and you will be able to proceed in creating a US based TikTok account. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out in creating your very own US TikTok based account. If we did, please do hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button only here on Telco Guy.